Just outside Charleston, South Carolina, in Johns Island, you can find the most impressive work of nature, the angel oak tree. The angel oak tree is estimated to be more than 400 years old. It's about 65 feet tall. That's 6 stories high. The tree trunks themselves are so heavy and large that some of them drop to the ground. The longest branch distance is 187 feet. There are supports under some branches to keep them from breaking. The tree covers about 17,000 square feet of ground. That's a lot of shade. The angel oak tree was named after the original owners of the property, Bertha and Justice Angel. The sign said you can touch and for some reason kiss the tree.
This is going to be the strangest thing I've ever done in my life. I love it.